Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to see deleted messages on Discord. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly look for a Light is Better Discord. So once you found that Light is Better Discord, you have to click the very first link that you can see here. Okay, tap this one. So you have to make sure first that you have downloaded or you have your Discord application already on your PC. So after that, what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down till you see this message logger v2. So as you can see, this is the description. So you can save all deleted messages. What you're going to do is to click download, wait as it is processing. So it is now starting to download up right here, and all you have to do is to wait that one. So make sure also that the file is not corrupted and readable. So after that, what you're going to do here is you just have to simply go to your Better Discord. You have to open your Discord and then you have to locate your user settings. So go to menu or search menu and then look for Better Discord and then open it. Go to this gear icon or settings. Tap this one and then look for plugins. So here, what you're going to do is to simply add the file or the message logger that you have downloaded earlier. So let me look for plugins here. Plugins is below custom CSS. And then after that, you will see a folder up right here. And all you have to do is to tap that one. So when you click plugins, you will see here, I have already downloaded this message logger and all the stuffs here, but I can delete it one by one. So let me delete this one by one first. And then after that, you have to download the message logger that you have downloaded earlier. So all you have to do is to simply click this folder right here and then add the message logger plugin. So you have to click this one. And once you click this, most of the cases, there is a notification for missing libraries to download. All you have to do is to click download now, download everything here. And then once done, it's now okay. So you can use this one. Now, what I wanted to show you is that I'm going to show you, I'm currently using my other account right now, and I'm sending a message to my Discord account. So as you can see here, if I'm going to send a message and delete this one right here, it will turn red. So the red words or the red messages are the deleted messages in short. So let me delete this one and you can see this one is deleted, but you can see the message deleted here on Discord. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.